콘셉트 Ev9.
Please welcome Kareem Habib, Senior Vice President and Head of Kia Global Design Center.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to be here today to show you the Kia Concept Ev9, the next chapter of our future vision. It points towards the second model of our dedicated EV lineup and our first all-electric SUV. With the Concept Ev9, we promised outstanding performance as we delivered with the Kia EV6. For example, it will travel 300 miles on a full charge, and it will charge from 10 to 80% in 20 to 30 minutes.